Hello! Welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Fire Sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Take only what resonates. Sa mga gustong magpabook ng personal reading, ito yung details. Habang nire-ready ko yung card na gagamitin ko para sa'yo. By the way, itong TikTok shop namin, Unipree, dyan makaka-avail ka ng mga products na available sa amin. Pampaswerte, Lucky Charm. Oh, if you're a businessman, meron kaming uh, green lucky candle ritualization, guys. You might want to check it out. Yan. If you want to manifest money, kung gusto mo mag-manifest ng pera, you can try to avail yung aming green lucky candle. Let's start. What do we have here for the sign of fire sign? Pero nakakarinig ako ng water sign. You could be dealing with the water sign. Natawa ako kung bakit, alam mo, actually water sign and fire sign, they don't match. Hindi talaga. So, ingat-ingat. Imagine, water, fire, o pag pinagsama mo, ang mangyari, mamamatay yung apoy, di ba? So, anyway, what do we have here for fire sign? Take only what resonates. Mag-comment ka naman dyan sa baba, kahit heart-heart lang, kahit tuldok nga lang eh. Huwag lang negative. Kasi kung ayaw mo ng ganitong reading, ayaw mo ng video, or ayaw mo ng way ko nung paano ako mag-read, pwede ka naman mag-next video. Ayan. So, sana mag-comment ka dyan. Tsaka marami ka may natutulungan ka rin, no? Sa simpleng comment mo kasi the more na mag-comment ka, the more na mas maraming marireach yung video. So, yung mga kailangan ng guidance, nabibigyan natin sila ng guidance, di ba? So, sa maliit na paraan, nakatulong ka doon. Love call and stab in the back. Okay. First na nakakonect mo, kunin na rin natin yung energy niya. I feel like there's separation. Yeah, ito na nga yung sinasabi ko kanina pa lang, ano? Kahit guys, whether you're dealing with a water sign or pwedeng malaki lang yung water sign na sa kanyang chart, sa kanyang natal chart, astrological chart, pwedeng hindi kayo okay or hindi kayo compatible nito person na to. Why? Pwedeng, I don't know kung sino naging dahilan but some of you pwedeng kasi may mga words na binitawan or because of a particular message, particular chat, no? Ito yung naging dahilan para umiwas or lumayo itong taong ito. And the dragonfly is here. So, nakakita tayo dito na pwedeng ito person na to is trying to heal. No? Tinatry niya mag-heal muna sa separation na nangyayari sa inyo. I don't know kung ikaw itong nagsalita or nagsabi sa kanya regarding things na naging dahilan nga para lumayo siya. Or maybe there's a particular person na naging dahilan ng pag-iwas itong taong ito sa iyo. Or it could be a third party situation. O, diba? Separation and seduction is here. So, pwedeng may another person na naging dahilan para magkahiwalay kayong dalawa. Ngayon, ito ay nagdudulot ng sakit. And yung person mo is currently healing from that. Ano yung emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa? For the sign of fire. So, a water sign talaga nasa energy ko. I don't know if you're a water sign. You could be a cross-watcher. Ano yung emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa? Okay, you do have here paradise and date and wedding rings. Girl with a snake and cassette. I feel like may paulit-ulit na nangyayari sa kanya at maybe a person nakakonect niya ngayon, kasalukuyan. And there's paulit-ulit na pangyayari sa kanila na, na I feel like you're dealing with, I don't know if you're dealing with the twin flame. Some of you, you're dealing with the twin flame. Twin flame card is here. So, pwedeng twin flame mo tong person na to. Pero meron siyang kakonect na pwedeng narcissist, manipulator. Maybe itong person na to is like, pwedeng ito na rin yung naging dahilan kung bakit hindi nagkaroon ng maayos na connection sa inyo dati. So, nagtutuloy-tuloy yun. Kasi itong person na to is dealing with that. And you, on the other hand, I feel like you are currently happy naman sa kung ano yung meron ka ngayon. Maybe you are already married, or you are already in a relationship. There's love right here. Pero, you still feel itong soul connection mo dito sa person na to. Pero yung iba, pwedeng wala. Okay, pwedeng wala. No, so take only what resonates. And I'm seeing like a third party na naging involved talaga dito sa connection ninyo. Meron tayo dito nakita naghabol eh. Okay, dito sa connection na to. Pero parang naramdaman niya na parang option lang talaga ako eh. So, wala na akong gagawin kundi i-end na lang or tapusin na lang to kasi ayoko na maging option. Tsaka I feel like there's someone here na naging, could be naging open na pagdating sa kung ano talaga yung emotion niya. Pwedeng may umamin or nagsabi na talagang I really do like you, pero yung other person is like, hindi kasi okay yung situation natin ngayon for you to like me. Parang ganun. So, take only what resonates. Ano yung near future for you, fire sign? In the near future for you? In the near future, you do have your coffin and the sword and rose. Okay. You do have your heartbreak, I like you, axe, and clock. So, ito nakikita natin dito. With the coffee, nakakita tayo ng endings with regards sa connection ninyong dalawa. Parang kasi kailangan mong i-face yung reality and yung truth about the connection na talagang hindi ito mag-work out. Itong person na to, gusto ka talaga niya, pero yun nga, pwedeng ngayon, wala na akong choice kundi mag-heal na lang. Gusto kita, mahal kita, pero wala na akong choice kundi mag-heal. Kasi yung separation, paulit-ulit or patuloy na nangyayari sa inyong dalawa. So, I don't know kung sinong nag-abandon na. Pwedeng ikaw, pwedeng siya, or nag-abandon na dito sa connection na to. Pero, uh, nagkaroon man na paghiwalay or separation, I feel like ito yung mas dapat na gawain. Although masakit, pero kesa mas patuloy na masaktan. Okay? So, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, nakarelate ka, nakakonect ka dito sa ating reading. Yeah. Please do like and subscribe. And please do comment down below kung nagustuhan may reading natin. And again, kung gusto mo pa-book ng reading, ito po yung details para doon. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.